Hi everyone, Raymond Chen with Coldwell Banker First Ottawa Realty. Welcome to our brand new listing. Located in one of Ontario's most picturesque towns is this beautiful mint condition townhome located minutes walk to trails, to restaurants, to schools, to hospitals, you name it. This is 173 Ferrara Drive and welcome to the tour. This home has a very unique floor plan. You got 2 bedrooms on this floor, and for the master suite, you got your own private floor. As awesome as this master suite is, wait until you see the basement. Check out these massive windows, which allows for tons of natural sunlight, coupled with these super high ceilings, which makes this basement a very versatile space. So if you're looking for a home in Smiths Falls, you gotta check this one out. Thanks again for watching.